Hello pianists! Today's video will feature Silent Night in D major, the performance tempo. There's other videos where you can learn how to harmonize with 1, 4, 5, 7, and 1 chords to complement this famous melody. You will also learn how to improvise. Teach you some chordal accompaniment patterns to complement this melody. But this will be your melody that you can listen to and you can practice your chord improv along with. So I've chosen for the BPM of 76 beats per minute. I'll have my metronome on so you can hear that. I will also double the melody at the octave below that A and below middle C, so it's loud enough for you to hear. Also, if you'd like to sing along, hopefully that will fit a male or a female voice range. I will also create a two-hand accompaniment we'll talk about later. So you're going to hear 3 measures before you start. 1 to count off, intro, and then I'll start the melody. Okay, so let's get started. BPM of 76. So just set that pulse internally. Here it is. 1, ready.